friends, welcome to Crumbs and Curries. This is Vidya here. Today's video is for all those people who love eating spicy food. I'm going to show you how to make green chili chicken curry. So without further delay, let's begin. So friends, to start with, I have taken here approximately 700 grams of boneless chicken and I'll be marinating it with some salt and lime juice. You can take chicken with bone as well. So friends, in the second stage of marination, here I have taken a mortar and pestle. I have taken some ginger and approximately 7 to 8 garlic cloves. In goes some 11 green chilies. The chilies are not very spicy, they are moderately spiced. Then I will add some mint leaves and 1 cup of mint leaf and 1 cup of coriander leaves. I will pound this very well. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can use a grinder. But of course, there will be more flavorful if you use a mortar and pestle. So I have added some salt to this so that it helps in grinding it nicely. After 3 to 4 minutes, I could make this nice smooth paste. Now the next step is to take the chicken and add this green paste into it and mix it thoroughly. Just make sure you nicely coat the green paste into the chicken. And then I am going to refrigerate it for around 1 hour. This will help all the flavors and juices of the green chili, mint and coriander to get into the chicken. Here I have taken 10 cashew nuts and around 15 soaked and de-skinned almond, which I will make a paste of. So let me show you the other ingredients that we need. 2 onions sliced long, 1.5 cup of well beaten curd, the cashew nut and almond paste, some dry spices, that is cinnamon sticks, cardamom seeds, cumin seeds and some cloves. I have taken 1 to 2 teaspoon of cardamom powder, some curry leaves, some green chilies de-seeded and sliced, 2 to 3 tablespoon of cream, and we will be cooking this in clarified butter or ghee. So some 2 tablespoon clarified butter and 2 tablespoon of oil. To start with, here I have taken a pan. In goes 2 tablespoon of ghee and 2 spoons of oil and mix well. Once it's nice and hot, I will add in the whole dry spices, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cardamom seeds, 4 to 5 cloves and some cumin seed. Now I will add in the onions, the sliced long onions and some green chilies which has been de-seeded and curry leaves. I'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till the onion turns out nice and golden. After which I will add the marinated chicken, mix it thoroughly and I will allow it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. I'll cover it and cook. Yeah. So as you see, it's been around 4 to 5 minutes since the chicken has been cooking. Now I will add 1.5 cup of well beaten curd to this mixture and allow it to cook on high flame for another 5 to 10 minutes. It's been 6 to 7 minutes since the chicken has been cooking. Now I'm going to add the cashew nut almond paste. This not only enhances the richness but also helps to thicken up the gravy. Now I will add some cardamom powder. I have taken around 2 spoons of cardamom powder which I will add to this and cover it and cook till the chicken is nicely done. So the chicken curry is finally ready. I am just adding some kasuri methi and some chicken masala for flavor. And yes, finally our green chili chicken curry is all ready to be served. You can have it with some roti or naan. I like to have it some steamed rice.